falling from the sky. Every road feels endless, every dream passing by. But deep inside my heart, there's a fire burning bright, and I know I'll keep on moving through the night. When the shadows pull me under and the world turns cold and gray, there's a voice inside that tells me, keep on fighting, find your way. Through the dark days I won't fall. I'll rise higher through it all. Hands up high, feel the energy, breaking chains, setting my spirit free. Dark days never last forever. We'll stand strong together. I've been lost, I felt the pain, walking through the storm again. But every scar becomes a light, guiding